Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. If you're a biotech freelancer looking for ways to find your next gig or connect with top biotech companies, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can use BOLG, a dedicated platform for biotech professionals like you, to land your next job and showcase your expertise. Step 1. Sign up. First things first, signing up. Head over to BOLG and create your account. It's quick and easy. You can sign up as an individual biotech expert or as an agency. Once you're in, it's time to set up your profile. Step 2. Fill in your details. Next, you'll want to fill out all the details in your profile. Start with your basic information, your name, country, and language proficiency. Don't forget to include your English language level and any other languages you speak. Now let's move on to the core of your profile, your skills and experience. Be sure to list your education level, specific skills, and areas of expertise. If you have expertise in certain fields, make sure to highlight those. You can also select a color code category that best represents your specialty. Step 3. Set your rates and availability. When it comes to setting your hourly rate, BOLG gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. You can also indicate your availability per week, so potential clients know when you're ready to take on projects. Step 4. Offer consultation sessions, optional. If you offer consultation sessions, you can also set that up in your profile. This is a great way to attract clients who need your expertise for short-term advice or guidance. Step 5. Create a project list, optional. BOLG offers the option to create a project list, a powerful feature that allows you to showcase the projects you've worked on previously or highlight specific projects you are offering at fixed prices. This gives potential clients the ability to view your expertise and directly select the services that best fit their needs. Step 6. Choose a subscription plan. Finally, let's talk about subscription plans. BOLG offers different plans to fit your needs, including a free basic plan. Whether you're just starting or looking for more advanced features, there's something for everyone. And that's it. BOLG is designed to help biotech freelancers like you connect with the right opportunities. By taking the time to complete your profile, you'll increase your chances of landing the perfect biotech job. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start showcasing your expertise to the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and updates. See you in the next video.